Here we are for another nature walk talk, and in the background you can see the beautiful female osprey sitting on her nest watching her eggs. They haven't yet hatched, but as you know, she's part of my beautiful gift every time I walk by this spot. And when I'm fortunate enough to see her with her eggs or her hatchlings, I always want to share them with you. So I hope you're having a very good day. Today, coming in nature where I am means covering up and protecting from the sun and the heat, having water, but it's still glorious. So I'll share this vista with you. And the inspiration is just be prepared when you go out into nature. Take care of yourself, and hopefully nature will take care of you. Thanks for being with me for this nature walk talk. Bye-bye.